A big hello, Captain Kirk. Many of our viewers on the show are Star Trek breakfast fanatics.
Thank you for inviting me. As you know, I like kelp. Kelp is very good for you. Can I help you with kelp?
No, you cannot help me with kelp. Let's move on. We interviewed Spock, who is as fictitious as you are. Even though both of you are fictitious characters in the same episodes, you never agree?
Yes, it's true. I can never agree with Spock at all. I like to keep it real. Even though I am fictitious.
We know from Star Trek 3 that you ate hash browns on the bridge. Tell us, what was that like?
Yes, I was there. I remember. There was no kelp in the script. None. Just a big breakfast plate, piled high with hash browns right on the bridge, near the transporter.
You did not want to not share the hash browns. Why? Some say that you did share a Joe DiMaroni sausage with Sulu. Is that how you remember it?
Yes, I remembered the sausage Sulu remembered. It was a feature on your show last week.